Hello students, today we will study about the human female reproductive system. The human female reproductive system consists of ovaries, oviducts which are also known as the fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix and vagina. Ovaries are the oval-shaped organs which are inside the abdominal cavity of a female near the kidneys. A female has two ovaries which are the primary reproductive organs in them. The function of ovaries is to make mature female sex cells or female gametes called ova or eggs, and also to make the female sex hormone called estrogen and progesterone. Each ovary is composed of several thousand follicles. Now, what are follicles? Follicles are a kind of unripened eggs. At puberty, these follicles mature to form ripened eggs. Just above the ovaries are the tubes called oviducts, which are also known as the fallopian tubes. The oviducts are not directly connected to the ovaries but have funnel-shaped opening which almost covers the ovaries. The egg cell released by an ovary goes into the oviduct through its funnel-shaped opening. The fertilization of egg by a sperm takes place in the oviduct. This line is very important. Remember, the fertilization of the egg will take place in the oviduct and not in the uterus. The two oviducts connect to a bag-like organ called uterus, which is also known as the mother's womb. The growth and development of a fertilized egg into a baby takes place in the uterus. It is connected through a narrow opening called cervix to another tube called vagina, which opens to the outside of the body. Vagina receives sperms into the female's body. It is a tubular structure which is also called the birth canal. Now, why is it known as the birth canal? Because it is through this passage that the baby is born after the completion of development inside the uterus of the mother. Children, please note here that in females, the opening for passing out urine and the vaginal opening are separate. Also, the female reproductive system in humans is more complex than that of the male reproductive system. The complexity in structure and function of the female reproductive system is necessary for the union of sperms and eggs inside the female body, and also for the development of the baby in the mother's uterus or the mother's womb. In the next video lesson, we will discuss about two main points. The first point is what will happen if the egg is fertilized, and the next point, what will happen if the egg is not fertilized in the female's body.